In this video, I will show you how to download and install Docker Desktop on Windows 11. So give this video a thumbs up and let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open your favorite web browser and search for Docker. From the search results, open the official Docker website. Once you're on the website, go to the Docs section. Now here, click on Get Started. This will take you to Docker's official downloads page. Here, you will find the option Get Docker. Click on it. Now, scroll down a little and you will notice different versions available. I will leave direct link of this page in description or first comment, so you can come directly to this page instead of going here and there. For this tutorial, we'll download the version of Docker Desktop for Windows. Click on it. Now, finally, click on the Docker Desktop for Windows, and the setup file will start downloading. The installer is around a few hundred megabytes, so wait for it to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and open the installer file. You may see some installation options here. You can leave everything at its default settings and click OK to continue. Docker Desktop will now start installing on your system. The installation process may take a few minutes, so wait until it completes. Once it's done, click Close and restart. Your computer will restart to finish the Docker installation. After the restart, you'll notice the Docker Desktop shortcut on your desktop. Before opening Docker, let's quickly verify that it was installed correctly. Open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, and launch it. Here type Docker -- version and press Enter. If Docker is installed correctly, you will see the Docker version displayed on the screen. This confirms that the installation was successful. Now, you can open Docker Desktop either from the desktop shortcut or by searching for Docker in the Start menu. When Docker launches for the first time, you will see its welcome screen. At this point, you can sign in using your Docker account. You can use your work email, personal email, GitHub account, or create a new account if needed. If you don't want to sign in right now, you can simply skip this step. And that's it. Docker Desktop is now installed and ready to use on your Windows 11 PC. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.